Welcome back. Plenty happened in aviation this week. Let's get into it. Two big new transatlantic routes. Alaska Airlines made history on May 21st by launching its very first transatlantic flight. Daily nonstop service from Seattle to London Heathrow is now live, operated by a Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner. Alaska secured Heathrow slots from American Airlines to make it happen, and London becomes the carrier's fifth intercontinental destination from Seattle. The airline is targeting at least 12 long-haul routes by 2030. On the exact same day, American Airlines launched 4 new European routes as part of its biggest summer schedule ever. The most relevant for Central Europe, daily non-stop Philadelphia to Prague on a Boeing 787-8, running through October 5th. Prague now has its second direct North American connection after New York. American also added Philadelphia to Budapest, Dallas-Fort Worth to Athens, and Dallas-Fort Worth to Zurich, bringing the carrier to 70 daily transatlantic flights this summer. Croatia Airlines A220 runs off the runway in Split. On May 16th, a Croatia Airlines Airbus A220-300 suffered a runway excursion at Split Airport during a high-speed rejected takeoff. The crew aborted at over 130 knots, the jet sharply veered left, and the aircraft tore through runway signs and lights before coming to rest on the grass. The left engine cowling was damaged after striking a runway marker. All 130 passengers and 5 crew members walked away without injury. No emergency slides were needed, and a replacement aircraft completed the Frankfurt service. Investigators are looking at a possible severe crosswind gust and runway contamination from rainfall as contributing factors. The aircraft was less than a year old, delivered to Croatia Airlines in June 2025. Europe's fuel crisis is forcing cuts. The ongoing fuel supply disruption linked to the Middle East conflict is hitting European carriers hard. Lufthansa canceled 20,000 short-haul flights through October, saving over 40,000 metric tons of fuel, and is grounding 27 regional aircraft from its CityLine subsidiary. EasyJet posted a pre-tax loss of around £552 million for the first half of its financial year, with fuel shocks alone adding £25 million in costs in a single month. KLM, SAS, and Aer Lingus have also trimmed capacity, and Norse Atlantic fully suspended its London to Los Angeles route. FAA acts on PW4000 engine flaw. The FAA issued a proposed airworthiness directive this week targeting a known problem on Pratt Whitney PW4000 engines. Deteriorating pressure burner sensors have been linked to multiple incidents including tailpipe fires, loss of thrust control, and in-flight shutdowns. The proposed directive would require sensor replacement on affected variants powering around 210 U.S. registered aircraft, Boeing 747-400S, 767s, and MD-11 freighters. Pratt & Whitney had already recommended the fix in 2025. This move would make it mandatory. Vilnius Airport closed over suspected drones. On May 20th, Lithuania closed the airspace over Vilnius Airport after radar picked up signals consistent with drones near the Belarusian border. A public air danger alert was issued, and residents in several districts were told to take shelter. This is part of a longer pattern. Vilnius has now been forced to suspend operations multiple times since late 2025 due to suspected balloon and drone incursions from Belarus. Operations resumed once authorities cleared the threat. That's everything for this week. New routes, a runway scare in Split, a fuel crisis, an engine safety directive, and another airspace closure over the Baltic. See you next time.